Time for a few tips from our experts to help you find out if this Kenmore electric dryer is right for you. What is the right design for you? Electric-powered operation, simple rotary controls, and a classy white finish are important to consider according to your taste. Are you looking for specific features? A wrinkle reduction function, smart remote diagnostics, and more are great if you're looking for an advanced model. Here's a deeper look at some of the features that make this design stand out from the others. What do others think? Many of our reviewers would recommend it, giving it a total 4.5 out of 5 rating. We hope this makes your choice easier. To learn more, check out the details below at Sears.